Hello everyone and welcome to Brandy's Cards. I'm so excited. Our Creativate Summer 2021 retreat registration is open. That's right. I'm so excited to share the details with you. Myself and four of my dearest friends, also Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, we come together to share with you on a one-day, full-day stamping virtual retreat. That's right. You don't have to leave your home and you can come and go and watch as you would like. And of course, you always have access to go back. And so our one-day virtual retreat is going to be this coming August 14th, Saturday, August 14th of 2021. So be sure to mark your calendars and get registered right away. Now, one of the reasons you want to register right away is because we're going to have a bunch of challenges that are going to be posted within our retreat Facebook page. That's right. So there'll be plenty of inspiration and, some challenges in there to kind of get you ready for our Stampin' Up! Retreat, which is, like I said, it's going to be a full day event. And so we're going to get you all ready for that. And then you're going to have the opportunity to earn some, or not earn, but win some prizes. That's right. So we have door prizes that we give away and, participation prizes and all those sort of things. So it's just a really, really fun event. And so that is leading up to the actual day itself. And so on August 14th, we will start our Creativate online stamping retreat at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're in another country, you can absolutely join us too. That's right. This is not a Stampin' Up! Sponsored event, so you are welcome to join us for sure. It is in English, so we are, the retreat is hosted in English, so that is one thing to keep in mind, but you are absolutely welcome to register. We're going to have 9 Facebook Lives for you. That's right, 9 Facebook Live demonstrations. So that is a busy day. We're also going to have PDF tutorials for you that you can download and print so that you can have them there, as you begin crafting. Of course, you can, we'll have 4 bonus tutorials. That's right, last year we did a surprise bonus at the end with the Flirty Flamingo. No, that's the color. It was the Flamingo stamp set that's now retired. Sad face. But anyway, we're really excited. So we have another surprise for you and you'll get 4 bonus tutorials there as well. So lots of ideas, lots of inspiration. Of course, door prizes. You'll meet some other wonderful crafty friends and be inspired for sure. You are going to have ideas to craft with for weeks after this event. So we're really, really excited about that. Now, how to register. Now, each Creativate team leader has their own link to register. That's right. So we don't share registration links and we don't share names of who registered with who. So it's really important to know that if you are purchasing from one of our Creativate leaders as your demonstrator, or maybe you're a demonstrator or you're a customer of another demonstrator, that is okay. But you have to pick a Creativate leader to register with. So it is really important that you do know that the person that you register with is your point contact for the weekend and for the event and all of the things that are leading up to it, getting you into the Facebook page and that sort of thing. So that is your point contact person. So if you go over to brandyscards.com, you will see where you can register for the Creativate retreat with me. I would be grateful and honored to have you as my guest for the retreat. I'm super excited. It's such a fun day. And I didn't mention that we actually do a getting to know you Zoom. And that Zoom is actually streamed into the Facebook retreat. And it's just a fun evening where we kind of let our hair down and relax and we ask each other some kind of crazy questions and you get to know the Creativate team. So it's just really kind of a fun evening as well. So anyway, I appreciate you joining me and, learning about the details of our upcoming retreat. Of course, all of those details are also on brandyscards.com. And I hope that you will join us. It is a really fun day. And I think it's really at the end of the night, it's almost hard to go to sleep because you have these ideas that are just like spinning everywhere. But it's just really, really fun. And of course, you don't have to get them all done that day, right? you can work on those projects throughout the next few weeks. So anyway, I appreciate you watching my video, and I hope that you join us for our summer retreat. Thanks everybody. Bye now.